Today, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to care for your orthotics. Tip 1. Clean them regularly. Use a damp cloth to wipe your orthotics clean and let them air dry before wearing them again. Avoid soaking them in water or using harsh chemicals that can damage the materials. Tip 2. Rotate them. If you wear your orthotics every day, try to rotate them with another pair so they have time to air out and prevent odor buildup. Tip 3. Store them properly. Keep your orthotics in a dry, cool place and away from direct sunlight. Avoid leaving them in hot cars or exposed to extreme temperatures. Tip 4. Use the right shoes. Make sure your shoes are the right size and have enough room to accommodate your orthotics. Avoid wearing shoes with high heels or those that are too tight. Tip 5. Check for wear and tear. Over time, orthotics can wear down and lose their effectiveness. Regularly check for any signs of wear or damage and replace them as needed. For more information, call us or visit our website.